Hi guys, welcome to Dalian's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how you can use your ripe mangoes and make fresh mango juice. So I have some mangoes that I bought from Sky Fruits here in my local area, Thornton Heath, London. I will show his details soon, but listen, these mangoes are coming straight out of Jamaica, fresh off of the plane. Now, I'm gonna make some mango juice with a touch of passion fruit, and if I feel the need, I'll add a little bit of ginger to give it that, that zit. Yeah, man. So let's get into it. Enough of the talking. Welcome to my channel and to Dalian's Kitchen, where I share simple and delicious dishes you would enjoy. My motto here is simple: make do with what you have. Guys, I have some East Indian mangoes and some Julie mangoes coming straight out of Jamaica. I got my mangoes from Sky Fruits, fresh, out of Jamaica. And I'm not going to use all of them to make the juice because I'm going to mash up some later. As a Jamaican, you're supposed to know what that means. Anyhow, this is the passion fruit. I cut it already and I started adding some of it in here. But because I want to show you, I stopped. So when you cut the passion fruit, you will scrape out the inside. You're not using the outside. This bit you throw away. That's the shell. Okay? So I'll show you how I'll prepare that later. I'll just leave that with my hand blender. There. So first what I need to do is to prep my mangoes. So I'm going to peel the mangoes. I'll put the skins in here. So one of the mango is overripe. So this one I don't have to cut it. All I have to do is to add some water into the bowl. I'm going to use some bottled water because they're cold and I want it cold. So if you add the water in, you just rub the mango and just rub the bit of the seed like that. It's not all mango you can do like this. Yeah. When we Jamaican eat mango, when we're done with the mango, this still have enough on it. When we finish with it, it's white. Well, I don't know about all, but I saw me eat my mango. So look, you can just peel the mango off with your fingers. See? This is that ripe. Just peel it off into the water. And continue to do the other mangoes until it's all finished. Oh. So what you have here, you have mango juice, but you have mango juice with some big bits in there. So if you have a blender at home, then you put it into the blender and blend until it's all pureed out, nice and smooth. Now I do have a blender and I don't intend to use the full blender. I'm going to take the hand blender and use it. And for God's sake, wash your hand when you're not going to do the juice, please. Yes. So this is the other part of my hand blender. So I'm going to remove the engine from here and attach this bit to it. And then I will add this in here to pure my mango. Okay, so I can test to see if my mango, see, is all blended out smoothly. So now I need to add a little bit of water into the passion fruit here. I need to add a little bit of water in here just to blend the passion fruit quickly, and then I'll add it to this bit here. So I need to detach this part again. Let's get another container. And then I'm gonna put this back. When you buy the hand blender, you get this bit with it, but not all hand blender. This is Bosch, so you get water. So just a little blend, and that's enough. Yes. So I'm not going to use that, so it's okay to put it down like that. So I'll use a strainer to strain the seeds and only just get the juice into the mango here. So that's the passion fruit added to the mango juice. Does it work well? Only time will tell. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah, that rhyme. Does it work well? Time will tell. So let me get a cup and I'm gonna do a little tasting. If I want to add some ginger, I will go ahead and add that too. Guys. Now listen. This doesn't need any sugar, nothing at all. The ginger you can add just to give it that, you know, ginger, you know what ginger does, right? But that's the mango juice. I'm not finished yet because I have to strain it properly. I don't do bits. I don't want nothing in my juice. Alright, so I'm going to add some ginger into my juice. I just rest that over there. Guys, I store my ginger into the freezer because I don't always use them all in time and then they go off. So, listen. My God, that's the ginger. So when you wet the ginger, then you can easily peel the skin off. So I've cleared the area because I'm going to blend my ginger. Let me cover my juice because I don't want anything to fall in it. So I'm going to blend the ginger to add to the juice. So this is the frozen ginger, guys. So when you wet it, yeah, you just easily peel it off. It's the wrong knife I'm using, like seriously. But you know my thing already. And me say, make do with what you have. Me not need to have nothing fancy. For sure no. Once it does the job, then it's good for me. Alright, you don't know where the ginger go. But you don't have to use frozen ginger if you don't have it. Just get some fresh ginger. Yeah, I just freeze my ginger because I buy a big pack and I don't use it very often. So to prevent throwing my ginger away, I put it into the freezer. And when I want some, I take it out, peel it, and then use it. Yes. Alright, y'all. So that's my ginger. I've peeled it. Now I'm going to add it to the container. And I don't want to use any water to add here. So I'm going to take a little bit of the juice and blend the take the juice to blend the ginger. Yeah. That is so nice and so thick. I tell you, the ginger is going to do something to the juice. Alright, I got a Ninja Bullet right here. Got this for about 7 years now and it is going well. So I have to check to make sure it's blended well because it's frozen. So I'll check to make sure that it's okay. So I'm going to blend it a little bit more because it is hard. Alright, so we're done with that. Okay, unfortunately, I'm going to have to use a little bit of water or else I'm going to lose a lot of my juice because it's thick. That explains the reason why it was blending the way it was blending. So I'll just spin it around. So it's optional how thick you want the juice, guys. Okay, guys, so I'm going to add the ginger that I just blend into the bowl of mango juice, and then I will do a final strain here because I tried to do it put it into the container there and it started to spew to the side, so I had to use a wide mouth container, hence my little pot. I need a spoon like yo my knee. So I need a spoon to guide the juice through because trying to get out any bits that is in there, and then it will leave me with a nice smooth mango juice, nice and clean. I'm telling you, the ginger did something to this. It is amazing. So all this is pure mango, passion fruit, and a touch of ginger mixed obviously with water. Jeez, guys, you can do this. Just buy the mango overripe or buy it and keep it at home, and if you forget to eat it and it gets very ripe, then just peel them, wash, peel, pop in a bowl, use a hand and you know, do the magic, and then you strain, add your ginger, which is optional. And now my juice is finished, guys. Look at this smooth, nice mango juice. OMM. Oh my. That is it. All you need, some nice ripe mangoes, some water, a bit of passion fruit, and your hands to do the magic. Touch of ginger. Please add the ginger because the ginger does it. Ooh, look at that. Nice and smooth. Oh. That is my fresh mango juice. The mangoes that I used were Julie mangoes. These mangoes here are East Indian and Julie with my passion fruit. So guys, I got my fresh fruits from Sky Fruits here in Thornton Heath. I'll pop his detail for you to see. Straight up Jamaica, these mangoes are coming from, and it's good to support what's happening, because when you support the locals, you support those back home. You support those home trying their hard best to make ends meet. Alright, so I'm gonna have a little bit of my juice, my nice mango juice. Oh geez, look at that. Anyone can make this. Like seriously, guys, anyone can make this. And that's my mango juice with a touch of passion and the ginger. It's very easy, guys. Why don't you try today? Straight out of Jamaica. Straight out of Jamaica, my mangoes are coming from. And trust me, I'm not disappointed. Well, I'm gonna make you one now. Yeah, weird pan. You still a watch me? No, no one. Got. Bye. I'm gonna enjoy my mango.
Thank you for watching and for allowing me to share my passion with you. Please remember to like and share the videos with others. If you haven't yet subscribed, why not do so today and come join the family here. Again, thank you for watching.